sharks out there. Oh no, there's a dolphin. Good morning, everyone. Well, today we are going to be leaving to go on a trip. So this will be our first trip. So we had so many plans, but boy, I tell you, it is so hot and humid. It's really the humidity that makes everything a mess, because you just start sweating, and when you're out west, at least that evaporates, so it keeps you cool. But here, it just sticks on you and it just stays there. So your body just keeps heating up and heating up and heating up, especially if you're in the sun. So, so we haven't really been doing a lot as far as getting out of the air-conditioned motorhome. So other than working around the yard and things. So anyway, but today we are going to be heading off to the Atlantic Ocean. We're going to actually go to Jekyll Island. Ninette's inside saying her goodbyes to Tansy, getting her all fed and everything ready to go, and she'll be out here in just a second. In the meantime, I've got this little camera that I'm going to try to keep track of how the utilities are doing while we're gone. We're only going for one day, so it should be a pretty quick trip, just out and back, and we can kind of see how things work out and how this little camera works I got. If you look in our description below, we have a link there, our Amazon link. It doesn't cost you anything to use our links, by the way, but anyway, it is what we're using. I'm kind of interested in what you guys use to kind of monitor what's going on in your rig, and how you do your security and things like that. So if you could leave some comments in there down below to kind of tell us how you're doing it, that'd be great. I know that Prime Day is coming up, so one of the things that you can do to support our channel, and we don't really encourage people just to give us money. We kind of thought about that whole deal and everything. We're not here to make a lot of money at this. We're just, if anything, we just want to cover our costs. And I think the way we can cover our costs is by just using like our Amazon affiliates or some of the different affiliates, RV Trip Wizard, where you actually get a 25% discount using it. So if you use those things, it doesn't cost you any extra to use them, but we get a percentage of your sales. So if you just kind of keep that in mind, that's a really easy way to help us. And if you really want to give us your hard-earned money, then I guess you can always use our PayPal entry and send it through that way or something. But I really kind of discourage people on just giving us their hard-earned money. You guys got things to do with your own money, so we don't necessarily need to take that from you. So we enjoy this life. We enjoy doing these videos for you and for us. It's a lot of fun. I enjoy doing that, and so that's why we chose to do this. All right, so we are ready to go. Everything is secure and locked up. We actually have some people that are going to be coming over to take care of Tansy while we're gone, and so this should work out pretty good. So oops, wrong way. So anyway, we're pretty excited. Darn camera. Trying to flip the gimbal around is getting kind of tough some days, but is it all locked up, ready to go? Nope. Our door's a little touchy. You got to push on it really hard when you're locking it. But anyway, we have things arranged for Tansy, and we're going to go and try have fun. This will be our first time actually away from Tansy, so yeah. Anyway, all right, so this is pretty exciting. Kind of, I don't know, tough being away from our child for a night,
well,
but
our comforts.
And our comforts, yeah, because we're gonna go.
Air conditioning.
We're gonna go tent camp.
Bed.
We have not tent camped for quite a while now, and we're gonna go try the tent
Last time
out.
was in Hawaii.
Yeah, and that was pretty nice.
On the road to
that was that was pretty cool.
No, it wasn't that nice either. It was
okay, sleeping on the ground.
Comfortable.
But the thing that's kind of worrying here, I mean, we put everything away because it gets a little windy in the afternoon and rains a lot here. Pretty much every day, and so we're kind of wondering what this weekend's going to bring, because of course it's projected to be the same kind of weather over by the coast, so that's what we're going to be up against. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and just take off, and oh yeah, we got an ant infestation here. I got to quit actually laying down on the grass when I'm working on the rig, because they keep biting me, so my legs are starting to look like Swiss cheese, I guess, or something. So yeah, so anyway, we're off, and let's go check out this new place, Jekyll Island. We're here. And here's our cool little campsite. Nice and big. Nice mossy trees, scenery. But everything, the bathrooms are all the way to the other end. This is definitely not designed for tent camping. Jekyll Island is known for the Georgia Sea Turtle Center, so we're gonna check it out.
These are animals that can come back and nest on the same beach, or the same region at least, that they were hatched from, due to really cool neonatal homing instincts using a chemical in their brain called magnetite crystals that act as sort of their own internal compass.
Well, that was pretty cool. Now we're gonna go out onto Driftwood Beach. This is at the north end of the island. Look at all these trees. Walk towards me a little bit so you see them move. Wow, that was a rough night last night. We haven't not tent camped for a long time, and I think that might have been the last night. Because I think I'd much rather. We've done car camping. We like car camping. But so it was 82 degrees last night when we went to bed, and 98% humidity. This feels like a sauna. Yeah, it feels like a sauna. It's 77 degrees and 95% humidity right now. So it's not much difference. And even laying in the buff all night did not help at all. So, how'd you sleep? You took a sleeping pill.
Didn't do much good.
We had a wild something run through.
Yeah, I think it was a Tasmanian devil.
Yeah, I kind of wonder if it was a pit bull chasing something, but well, I'll tell you, about ran into our tent and went right around about.
Ran into our tent. I thought it was coming in.
Yeah, so.
It's like, see it. I don't think it was a raccoon. It can't be that. It sounded like
There's something growling and wild. We got to go out and look, see if we can see some.
But it was, yeah, it was
or
kind of
something.
scary.
Yep.
I jumped.
Anyway.
Since we couldn't close the door all the way. I mean, the outdoor door. So I
Yeah.
remembered that the inner door was closed. I went, okay, all right, we're good. And then
This,
and it rained, and it had drips all over. So that was kind of refreshing.
our tent is, yeah, that helped a little bit. I thought it cooled off for just a little bit. There was a gust here and there, but other than that, there was no wind. So later on, so I think this tent is pretty old, and the zippers aren't working anymore. So anyway,
yeah, we're getting a little.
I wonder how Tansy slept.
God, it's probably better than this.
Yeah. This is a cool find. This is the historic St. Andrew's Beach. This exhibit shows definitely a sad time in our history. Down here at the bottom of the displays here, you can see one person's account of that time. Feel free to pause the video and read each one of these signs. It's pretty enlightening where we've been, and hopefully things are getting better as we go forward. So the funnest part of coming to Jekyll Island is just walking on the beach, checking out the crabs and things. We've never seen any turtles out on the beach though, and the turtle watch is booked at least 3 months in advance. There's sharks out there. Oh no, there's a dolphin. Push. Push in. Tansy, hi.
Oh, you got a sore eye?
What's up?
You been crying?
Huh?
Hi, sweetheart. Oh, sorry.
What you doing,
happy?
Tansy?
Oh, she hasn't eaten anything.
Oh. Oh yeah, you need your eyeball cleaned, huh? You got something in it. Well, Mommy's gonna get you all fixed up.
Sometimes you're not eating your food. How much we eat? Hello. Hello, did you miss Mommy? Hi.
All right, we are home. We have got Tansy all taken care of. That was our #1 concern. So she's all fixed up. Her eye's gonna take a few days to get better. Not sure what happened there. Not necessarily that happy with our people that took care of our Tansy, but I don't know. It's hard to leave your child home with somebody else. So anyway, with that said though, we did have a good time and it was a lot of fun. We learned a little bit about turtles, got to see the
dolphins in the
dolphins in the ocean. She had fun playing in the dirty water, the ocean water. I didn't want to get in.
That's a cold, nicer.
So I did the videotaping and just watched. But yeah, so the water's a little dirty from.
Storms,
you looked in the. Yeah, if you looked on the video there, it told about the dirty water, why it's so dirty because of the marshes and everything around there. But you know, one of the things that was pretty interesting too, besides the turtles, the whole turtle sanctuary thing, that was kind of cool and everything. But oh yeah. So I didn't wear this on the trip though. This is my clean shirt. Got to change now. So luckily it was only one night out. But anyway, so the other thing that's on the island is the on St. Was it Jackson? I think St. Jackson
No,
beach.
St. Andrews.
Oh, sorry, St. Andrews Beach, one of those presidents, I
There's
guess.
mosquitoes. Hurry up.
So anyway, it was the little deal talking about the you know, the slavery back in the old days, and kind of giving a history. One guy giving a little history about what was going on there. So that's pretty cool. That's a little historic site that's been set up there, and that was kind of fun to find. So we didn't expect to see that. And it was just fun walking along the beach and just getting to do things, and that was pretty cool. So anyway, the trip was a lot of fun. It was fun spending time with our daughter and our son-in-law, doing a few things with them. We don't normally get to see them very often because they live so far back here, and with the heat and humidity here, this might be the last time we come back here as far as visiting the East. But I don't know. We're trying to figure out what we're doing next year. So yeah, and there has to be a heat wave. What the heck, you know?
Over 100 degrees.
But hey, it's nice that we switched out to that mini split, because that thing has really saved our butts. So we've been really happy with that. So. And then also, I just wanted to mention about the camera, the little camera that I use for checking on things. That was pretty cool. That actually worked out pretty good. Again, though, I really want to know what you guys are using to kind of figure things out like that. So if you can give us some heads up on that, that would really be appreciated. And also remember our affiliate links and things, ways that you can help us out, because we really do appreciate all you subscribers and all those that actually help our channel grow and watch our content, because we're kind of funny people. So anyway, funny looking. So anyway, thanks. Appreciate you going along with this time, and we'll just catch you on our next video. And if not, maybe we'll see you somewhere down the road. So take care.
It's time to go play pickleball.